Hello, I am going to open up a box of Archazia's Island. This is a Lorcana box I bought over the weekend for 54 bucks. This is a box that has everything to start a collection for this series. This has one storage box, 7 card dividers, 8 booster packs with 12 cards each, 6 damage counter dice, and 1 lore counter. So I'm going to open this up. This is my first Lorcana unboxing, and a lot of people do a point system with these Lorcana cards. So foil rare is 1 point, super rare 2 points, foil super rare are 3 points, legendary 4, foil legendary 5, and enchanted are 10 points. So we'll see. I have never opened up one of these. I'm really excited. So kind of nervous to open up this box, but very excited because I like Disney, but not so much to like purchase a whole bunch of Disney. So I'm going to put this over here. So this is how the box looks. It's actually pretty nice. Sorry, this is going to be reversed for you guys because I want to be able to see myself to make sure like you're seeing everything. Ooh. All right, I hope that means that's a good pack. If these packs are separated, I wonder what happened here. Ooh, it feels heavy. All right, so we have Mad Hatter, Bolt, Mad Hatter, Mirabelle, Bolt. It looks like the same thing, so we're going to do this. All the Mad Hatters together. And this was the Mad Hatter sent by itself, so it should be 8 booster packs. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We're going to put this Mad Hatter to the bottom. Sorry. It comes with your dice. Comes with, I'm pretty sure this is what they called the lore counter. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm under the weather a little bit. I have a doctor's appointment today, so let's see how that goes. And these are the card dividers. Oh, I skipped one. Sorry. So we have this one. Ooh, the Eagle Queen. I like that one. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. And it's the same image on the other side. And then this card. Oh, that does. Okay. We're going to just put these right here. Okay. So, first package. So I've been watching some videos on Lorcana. So this piece, it tells you a little story, but then the back side makes an image. So we're going to put those to the side here so we can like make the image, I guess, when we're done. And then they usually just leave it like this instead of Pokemon where you flip through and move them. You just flip it over. So we got the Cheshire Cat. And these are all commons from what I'm gathering. I'm trying to make it where you guys can see the cards. I'm not like familiar with how to video and do all this stuff. These are really pretty cards. Like the artwork's really pretty. Okay, so this one is a rare. So, but it's not a foil. It's just a rare. Here, I'm gonna bring this light closer so you guys can kind of see these. I think that should help. There we go. So pretty. Oh my God, King Candy. And here's a foil. The foil's pretty good on it. So I'm going to personally sleeve my foils because I don't want them getting ruined. It's the one thing I kind of wish this box came with was like sleeves for your cards. But it doesn't look like they do. Whatever. It is what it is. Let's try a bolt. Here's another of an image card. And we'll put them together when we're done. Oh, she's so cute. I don't know how to play the game. I'm going to want to learn. But these cards are just really pretty. And I want to start like a collection for my kiddo. And this is another foil. Nothing too crazy. I've watched a few videos on Lorcana and haven't seen anything like this. There's not that many crazy cards for this box, I should say. So open up a Mad Hatter card pack. These things are hard to open, just like Pokemon. Pokemon cards are hard to open too. Oh, here's a different picture. So far I'm not getting duplicates, which is really nice. Because I really don't want to get a whole bunch of duplicates. I want to get a whole set. But not so many duplicates. Fix it, feel it, that's cool. Oh, this one's cool. It's not like foil, but it has like a textury, like that's actually really pretty. And that one's like a foil common. So I'm gonna sleeve this Donald Duck one because that one's really cool. If I have enough sleeves, I'll probably sleeve all the cards. Just to keep them in good shape. To Mad Hatter. But they do like a point system, I guess, to see how good your pull rate is on these boxes. I don't care, I'm just having fun. Another art piece. I'll put the puzzle together at the end and see if we have all the pieces. I love Bolt, he's so cute. Card Soldiers, Alice in Wonderland, favorite movie. Snow White, oh hey hey. These are so cool. Not bad. Take It is another foil. I'm not good at doing these videos, so I do apologize if this isn't something if you're into and you don't like my video because I'm not that good at the video part. Oh, no picture in this one. Okay. So I guess not every pack can get a picture. So many classic, like, Disney movies. My thought process is to take these cards to Disney with my daughter and having the characters assign the card. The Queen of Hearts. Oh, Queen, she's so cool. Well, the evil queen. Oh, another hollow. This one's pretty. Nothing crazy yet. Oh, the queen's kind of like that too. Where like she has like a gloss and then the card doesn't. Like this part doesn't have the gloss, but she does. Maybe I'm missing that. These are pretty. I'll be going back through these. Obviously, I'm done to. Let's see here. Just to make sure I wasn't missing something. Nope, I didn't. Okay. Just checking myself. First time ever opening these. Alright, so we have 3 packs left. This was one that sit by itself, so we're saving that for last. Put this here. We're going to open up this one. Okay, so this one had the puzzle piece. Okay. Lady. That card is a little bent on the top. Not happy about that. Moana. Mirabelle. Mufasa. Anna. Oh, that one's cute. And the Cheshire. Okay. Another picture. One thing I don't like about opening cards is it goes quickly. Oh, that's funny. So look at this. Hold on. Wasn't that pack? Didn't we see her sister? So I guess these cards go side by side. It's her pushing her. You see that? That's funny. I'll probably put those 2 together in the book once I order the book to put these cards in, because that's just kind of funny. Okay. Marie. Oh, that's cool. The artwork's really pretty on these. I don't know if that's not. Oh. Ooh. This one's pretty. We have it in foil and non-foil too. So that's pretty cool. And last pack. I haven't got anything like super crazy. Hopefully this one, since it's to the side, is a good sign that there might be more. I mean, might be something worth in here. Picture. I don't think we'll have all the things to make the picture. We'll find out. I'm getting a little bit of duplicates now. Taka, that's pretty. Taka. Roswell. Toby. Thomas O'Malley. And nada. No soup, no enchanted cards. Nothing crazy. Want. Not bad for my first box, though. So we have this deck that makes a picture of some sort. I don't think we have all the pieces. Not even close. 13 and 14. Are these all numbered? 13, 14. Okay, these two line up. And then this one will be somewhere over. Oh, that one lines up. 2, 12. Okay, that one lines up. That one lines up. These look like they're completely different story, the page. So these make the picture. I'm going to grab the phone so I can show you. So these are the cards that make a picture. And then here, what we'll do is I'll go through all the cards real quick for you so you can actually see them. I'm just going to use the lid. So I can, maybe not, hold on. These were all the cards in order that I got. So you guys can see these artworks. They're all pretty. Here's a foil. The back of these cards are pretty too. Like this foil is really pretty. This one is one that wasn't foil. It just had a different texture. Foil. Hit the reset before the whole pile falls. And this is the box we're doing. This is the box we're doing. So I got this card foil as well. So these two are both in one pack. And this one's, you know, this one's foil. The other one wasn't. Last card. So overall, it wasn't too bad on these cards. I'm pretty pleased with them. It's a lot of cards to unwrap. I'm excited to see if I can find another box of this. I do have to say, I do love the storage box. I think it's absolutely beautiful. This is something I'd keep. It's really, really pretty designed. So I'll definitely keep this. I'll repackage everything nicely, put them away. I'll probably sleeve as many cards as I can. And I will see what their value is. And I will try to edit the video the best I can to put the prices or little notes about all this. But if you know where to find these cards at, let me know, because I can't find them anywhere. Found this at a local shop. I'm very lucky, but can't find them hardly anywhere. One thing I don't like, there's no instructions in here on how to play the game, really. So I would like to know how to play it. Well, you have to do the QR code to learn how to play the game. So the dice is pretty nice looking. So we'll see. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you liked it. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe so I know who likes this stuff. That way I can do more. But thank you for tuning in. This was a fun box. I'm glad you could see it. The packaging is really nice. I'll definitely keep this in a box and hope I can find some more of these packs and unbox some more of them. I hope you all have a great day, depending on where and when are you watching this. Thank you again for tuning in. Sorry it's not so fancy like the other people. Eventually I'll get there. Bye.